Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Badri here from Haris Ibrahim Marketing, company that deals with flame off fire safety products. I know we've shown you a couple of videos on kitchen fires, both restaurant and home, and I can't emphasize enough: a cooking oil or grease fire, you never ever throw water on the fire. It spreads the fire. It can even become explosive. You know how when sometimes you're at home and you're cooking, you got your frying pan on the fire, you got oil in there, you go put your ikan kembung or your burger on there. And the thing's a little bit wet because you've marinated the ikan kembung or the burger just came out of the freezer. You know how it just sizzles a little bit? That's just a little bit of water. You put a lot of water, it can be so dangerous. I want you to watch this video. Very interesting video. It shows how water sprayed on a grease or cooking oil fire in slow motion. And they tell you what's happening. I'm not even going to speak during this video. There you go. Slow motion. I'm not going to talk. Scary but interesting. Like I said, I can't emphasize the importance of understanding that you do not throw water on a cooking oil or grease fire. Sometimes it seems like that's the most convenient thing. That's why, again, I'm going to tell you, if you haven't done it yet, go back home, look at your kitchen, what's unsafe? Are the flammable things too close to your stove? Do you have the right tools? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has frightened you even more than the ones before. But at the next video, we'll talk about tools. We'll talk about what you can use to actually tackle a kitchen fire. I'm not going to go into it now. Wait, watch out for the next video. You can follow us on our Facebook page at FlameOffMY, or you can follow me personally on my YouTube channel at Badri Ibrahim. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Sayonara. Jangan marah.